Hi, in this video I will walk you through the steps necessary to upgrade the firmware on your node and base station. First, go to microstrain.com and navigate to any of the wireless product pages. From there, scroll down and click on the Downloads tab. Then click the Firmware button. This will download a .zip file. Navigate to where the file was downloaded, right-click on it, and select Extract All. This will extract the containing firmware package that we will use to upgrade both the node and the base station. The firmware file has an extension called .zhex. Now open SensorConnect. Click on your base station and click on Upgrade Firmware. Browse to the location of the zhex file that we just downloaded from the website and click Open. You'll see that there's a difference between the current version of firmware and the new firmware version. Click Start Upgrade. Once it is complete, you'll see the updated firmware version in the header for the base station here. Now let's go ahead and update the firmware on our node. Click on the node and again click on the Upgrade Firmware tile. Again, browse to the same firmware package and click Open. Once again, you'll see that there is a change in firmware version from the current version to the new version. Click Start Upgrade. This will take a little bit longer than the base station as it backs up the node prior to initiating the upgrade. Once it is complete, again, you'll see that the firmware is updated in the header information for the node. You have successfully upgraded the firmware on both your base station and node. For more information, or if you have any questions, please reference the product user manual found on our website, or you can contact technical support by phone or email.